This is Tony Regis reporting from the Philippines. The world oil market has long depended on Iran and its oil. Since the beginning of time, the oil market of Iran has produced a good amount of oil, and this has made a good impact on what people would call the world oil market supply. And the demand has continued to make sure that Iran would produce the great oil that they need. And the question now remains that whether or not the world oil market can still have what they have and what they need, despite all of the problems that the sanctions imposed to them entails. The world oil market depends on Iran. Does Iran depend on the world oil market? It seems as if this is a case to be remembered and looked at for always. Timothy Evans, an economic expert on the global oil market and the demand and supply of oil in the world, has turned a good eye on the world oil market and the export system on Iranian oil. Evans noted that U.S. oil production is up 14.2% over the last 12 months, and this would only mean that there is nothing left for Iran to do but make sure that Iran would get what it can get best from the spoils of its oil demand coming from its best buyers like China and India. With that in mind, it is high time to look at what will happen best to the beauty of their oil supply and the world market now that the United States is trying out oil independence from other oil producers. Iran needs to make sure that even if the world oil market does not depend on it, there will be nothing left for Iranians oil leaders to do but to make sure that they will get an accident-free oil market. Tony Regis, Philippines.